Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel One Stop IT Prep. So it's been a long time we are meeting again. Hope all of you are doing very well and hope like those who have joined the banks in the past 6 months, now everyone settled with the like lease properties and now thinking like what can be next. So the most buzzing thing at this time is JAIIB. This exam is just knocking at the door. Like it will start from the next month. I hope like all of you have appeared for that exam. But at this time, since exam is knocking at the door, I'm sure like most of you will be thinking like, can I crack this time? Like, can we crack this time? Because times are so short and we can't even prepare. So, can we do it? Some of you may be thinking, we are engineers. What kind of subjects is this? This is not our cup of tea. How can we do this thing? So, believe me, guys, you can do it. Be confident. If you follow certain strategy, definitely you can do it. You are engineers from college life only. Like, you have have that temperament to clear any exam with the last few days of preparation. But for that, you need some proper strategy. Then you will be able to clear it. I can share my strategy with you with the help of it. I have also cleared in my first attempt and with just 15-20 days preparation. So I will be sharing it. So please watch these videos till the end. It will be helpful for you. And those who are new to my channel, please like and subscribe my channel to get some information, most useful informations regarding. So we will be starting. So first of all, what you need to do is from the IIBF site, you need to download the syllabus and analyze the syllabus. Okay, so hope you are all know about the exam pattern. Like there will be four subjects: IN, IFS, PPB, AFM, and RBWM. In each subjects, there will be total 100 questions and 2 hours. Okay, so not every questions will be of 1 mark. There will be 50 questions of half mark each, 25 questions of 1 mark each, and 25 questions of 2 mark each. Okay, there is no negative marking. So please make sure you attempt all the thing. Though you do not know, just guess, because sometimes your guess will also work. So there are 50 questions which will be of half mark. These are like plain simple questions. If you know the basic thing, you will be able to answer it. Then comes the 1 mark questions. It is little tougher from that half mark questions, but not very tough. So you again, like if you have some basic knowledge, you will be able to guess it. Then comes the game changer, this 25 2 marks questions. For this, you need some like deep understanding of these subjects. Okay, so like first analyze the syllabus. So in every like syllabus, let's say Indian economy and Indian financial system, it will be having like four modules. Okay, module D is most important. Okay, it is not that like one module is most important, that means from another module questions will not come. No, questions will come from every module, but since time is short, if you need to prioritize, please first prepare the module D. Every topic from module D is very important here. Okay, let's say I'm coming to this. Hope my screens are visible. Okay, so like different types of money markets, capital markets, then mutual funds, debt, bond, like equity, bond, share, call market. There are call money, put money, then be different types of stock market, call options, put options, forex market, what is the rule of FEMA, how it is different from FERA. These things you need to know. And there are some different like very important concepts also, like derivatives, hedging through derivatives, factoring, forfeiting, trades, then venture capital, lease and hire purchase, what is lease finance, So these are all important. Credit rating agencies and credit rating companies, there are like different companies. What are the insurance products? Who like compliances insurance? For insurance, we have IFRDA, and there are some pension funds like APY, NPS, then some real estate environment investments. So this module is very much important in case of IE and IFS. So like how you can prepare and where you can prepare. So one thing, like in YouTube there are many free resources. Like for Adda there are like many free classes are going on, or anyway like you can search topic wise and see whatever videos comes through you. For Adda there are like free videos. For EduTab there are free videos. And another thing I will be telling you, that in Google just search ambitious Baba JAIB free PDF. Okay, so you will be going to their site and you will be able to see for different things they have some like free PDFs. Okay, for the four subjects. These are capsules. Trust me, these will be very much important, like, and very useful. So if you go through it after having some video lectures, it will help you to point out in important information. So as I said, for like IE and IFS, the module D is most important. Then comes the module B. In module B, supply and demand, inflation, depreciation, different type of monetary policies, fiscal policies, these will be there. So you need to know that how it is getting impacted, what is repo rate, what is reverse repo rate. If repo rate is decreasing, what is the impact on society? So these things you need to know. And before the exam, you just go to, like, you just search the latest RBI monetary policy. What is the rate? What is the CRR? What is the SLR? This percentage you need to know as per the latest standards. Okay, in module A, there are some history type of things. Based on that, you need to know like different 5-year fiscal policies, economic reforms. In 1992, there is a economic reforms, LPG, like liberalization, privatization, globalization. This thing you can know, climate change and sustainable development. This thing also you can know. So this goes like IE and IFS. It is not very tough subject. Like if you go through all of this, you will be able to clear it. And remember, you do not need to get 100. You need to just get 50. So prepare accordingly. You don't need to get too much of depth because you just need to get 50. So like align your preparation in that way only. Next comes the subject PPB, Principles of Banking. This is a very lengthy subject. Like, and for PPB, module A and module B is very much important. Like 70% questions will be coming from here, and some like scenario based questions will be coming instead of like direct questions. They will be giving some scenario, like suppose you are a bank manager, some person came, he has this much assets, this much liability, he is asking for this much loan, how will you react? So this type of questions will be coming in PPB. Like PPB generally is a easy subject, but over the year questions are getting tough here. Okay, then comes the most important paper of JIB, which is Accounts and Financial Management, AFM. Most people stuck in this paper. Okay, so for accounts and financial management, module B and module C is very much important. And remember, this is a mathematical paper. If you understand the concept, there will be like very mathematical questions will come, which you can able to solve if you remember those formula. Like different form, like there are different ratios in the module B, and in module C is based on time value of money. Like in your school life, you have like gone through the compound interest formula. Okay, so this chapter is totally based on this compound interest, little bit of tweaking of this, like annuity formula, EMI formula, capital formula. So everything will be basics on this compound interest thing. And accounts and financial, like for me personally, it is very interesting because you do not need to memorize much. If you understand the concept and memorize the formula, then you can able to solve the problems. Like those people who love mathematics will definitely love these subjects. And if you like read uh, prepare all these three subjects, fourth subjects is very much easy. The last 5 days which you will be getting before retail banking, it will be like easier to clear. Like basically this paper 4 is a subset of these first three subjects. So if you read the first three subjects, you will definitely able to know what are those. So don't uh, prepare this now. Okay, you can like prepare this in the last 5 days. It will be more than sufficient. And also these are like preparing the knowledge. Okay, another thing is deliver. From the like last minute, you will be having like thinking that I do not like cover the whole syllabus. That will happen. Okay, so whatever you know, just try to see if you can deliver that much or not. Okay, so try to give some mock, free mocks, or you can take any paid mock also. And also YouTube before the exam, some question answer videos also come, like Moha Marathon, Mini Marathon, Chalisa. Like go through that. It will be helpful for you to check whether you can able to like answer those questions or not, because solving questions is very much important. That's why you will be able to see whether you can apply the knowledge to problem solving, because ultimately you will be solve problems in the exam hall. Okay, so these are some strategies which you can use, and obviously like every person creates his own strategy. So these are some basic things which I think I am sharing with you. Hope it will be helpful. Okay, so thank you and all the best for your exam. I hope it will help. If you need have any doubt, please comment on the section. I will be looking into it. Thank you.